JobTread empowers you to create custom data views throughout the system so you can see information in the way in which you'd like to see it. Here in Jobs, when I click on this drop-down menu, you can notice that I have several organization views that are shared with others in my organization. Now I can set defaults for each role in my organization so they see a particular view as soon as they access that tool. When I go to my JobTread settings, then I can click on the Roles tab. And now I can open each individual role and define which default custom view I want them to see. So we'll scroll down to the custom views section, and now I'll choose each of the views. So for the estimators, I might want them to view all of my new leads as the default role that they see when they first go to my customer directory. But then maybe for their jobs, I would want them to see all jobs in the estimating phase as opposed to all jobs across my organization. So you can go through each of these features and decide what the default view will be for each of these roles. Now, each of the users can override this default view, but this will give them a great starting point, especially when you add new users to JobTread. We'll go ahead and update that. Now you also have the option to set default task and job schedule views for your customers and your vendors. So let's go into one of my customer roles. Here, if I scroll down, I can also choose my custom views. So I'll choose for the organization tasks. I may want my customers to see all of their incomplete tasks across all jobs in one place. So I might leave that default view, and that's a list view. But then in my job tasks, when they go into a job schedule, I may want them to view a Gantt chart of the job schedule, or maybe I would want them to see the month view of the job schedule. Now, of course, these custom views are still limited to what access they have given the permissions that you've provided them. So we'll click Update on this, and now let's go into one of our customers' portals. I'm going to go to my Members tab and then search for that customer here. Here's one, and then I will click Preview as User. At this point, you'll notice that in the tasks list, this is giving them that tasks view, and it's showing them all incomplete tasks. And then if they go into a particular job and go to the schedule, you can then have it default to that Gantt view or the month view or whatever you choose to default it to. Also, your customers and vendors now have this gear icon here where they can filter down their tasks as well and see only what they'd like to see on their list. If you have any questions, contact your customer success manager or email support@jobtread.com and we'll be sure to help you out.